Hello, good morning dear children. Open your EVS textbooks and page number 27. Today we have to start our new lesson with the name of delicious food. Lesson number 4. Okay. Are you open your books, children? Okay, let's start. Food. In our previous lesson we have seen water. Water is how much important to us. All of we know we can't live without food and water. Okay. So now in our last class we seen about the water. Water are very essential for all the human beings, animals, birds also. And sources of water. Rain is the main source of water. We seen that. And now today we have to learn to our next lesson towards a delicious food. Open page number 27, children, of your textbooks. Are you open? Okay, let's start. Food gives us energy to do work. If you are eating food, then we should be healthy and strong. It comes fruits, vegetables gives us energy for to do work. Okay, and next one, by using vegetables, it we improve our carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, all type of minerals which are whatever our body required, that all we get from food only. Okay, so let's start with our lesson. There are food items that you have eaten in the picture given below. If yes, put right mark in the box. Please children, take one pencil in your hand and start to make a right mark with that food items. Okay. So which one is this? Are you eaten, children? What is this? This is a idli. Yes, very good. This is a idli. Make it right mark. Idli makes from rice. Next one, roti and vegetable. Are you eating in your home daily at morning, afternoon and night also? By breakfast, dinner and lunch. You are eating with the foods of vegetables and chapati, roti, rice, dal. These are the main food. And next one, what you are eating, that is a supplementary food. Maybe it is a kheer, some sweet dishes, that all the supplementary food. Next one, this is a third one is pohe. Are you eating? Yes. Make it right mark. If which food you are eating, do it right mark on that box. Next one, there is a chapati, I think. Yes. Next one is, fifth one is dosa. They are given. Make it right mark. You are eating in your home. There. Next one, this is a ragi. Ragi is also very helpful to our body. It improves blood. Next one, who are non-vegetarian, they eat some fish. I will explain what is a non-vegetarian, what is a vegetarian. So next one is a fish. Next is eggs. This is a egg you are eating. If you are eating, make it right mark. If you don't know, make it cross mark to that box. Next one, there is a vegetable. Next one, bread. All of you are eating. It is a fermented bread makes by using yeast. Next one, milk. All children should know the milk. You have to drink daily milk at night. Next one is, there is a puri. Your children's favorite dish is puri. Okay. Are you done there? Make it right marks. Okay. Now turn on page number 28. Look at the picture. Put right mark in the space provided if you know the food. Now, before that, I want to explain one thing to you, children. What is a vegetarian food and what is non-vegetarian food. So vegetarian food means what? Some people it's only vegetables, fruits, dal, rice, roti, paratha, dal, cereals, all these called only a vegetarian diet. Who some people eats only vegetarian food, means for some people it's only vegetables, fruits, dal, rice, chapati, paratha, all these things, that people called as vegetarian food, vegetarian diet. Okay. Next one, now non-vegetarian food. Which are the non-vegetarian food, children? Yes, anyone? Okay. Non-vegetarian means some people eat fish, meat, eggs, chicken. You know you are eating? Yes. Non-vegetarian means flesh of other animals. Non-vegetarian means what? Flesh of other animals. That is a fish, meat, eggs and chicken along with vegetables and fruits. Yes, they are non-vegetarian peoples, but they are eating fish, meat, eggs along with the vegetables and fruits. They are not eating only this flesh of animals, but they are also eating a vegetables and fruits. Children, are you getting what are the differences between vegetarians food and non-vegetarian food? Okay, let's start with our new point. Look on page number 28. Look at the picture, put right mark in the space provided if you know the food. Now, if you know these food items, which are the food item, which are they, do you know the foods? Fruits, vegetables, all they are given in this, some pulses also they are given. Then you have to make it here, right mark, and if you don't know, try to know what fruit is this. Okay, first one is a rice. Make it right mark. You are eating in your home daily rice, and by using rice, your mother makes a rice. Next one, idli, dosa, all these things made by rice. Next one, this is a ginger. Okay. Next one, corn. This is a corn. Make it right mark to corn also. Milk. You know very well. Milk improves the protein in our body. So you should have to drink a 1 glass daily milk. Next one. This is a fruit. Which fruit is this? Yes, very good. This is a banana. Make it right mark. Next one. This is a. Which food item is this, children? Which food item is this? This is a meat. So it comes in a non-vegetarian food. Meat comes in a non-vegetarian food. Next one is radish. Radish we can eat by raw food. Raw means without cook. You can eat radish. Next one, cucumber, carrot, some type tomato. Some these are vegetables we can eat by only raw food. Raw. This is a radish. Next one is tomato. Next line. This is also a non-vegetarian food. Which one is this? Fish. Next one is honey. We get honey from honeybee. This is the only food which we ate by using insects. Means yes, honeybee gives us honey. Only the honey we are eating by insect giving food is honey. Next one is, which fruit is this? This is a grapes. Yes. Next one is, here is a milk product. Which one is the milk product? Is a butter. Yes, this is a butter. Make it right mark. Next one is potato. Next is onion. Again here a raw vegetable is carrot. I told before that. Next one is, this is a ragi. Ragi improves the blood quantity in our body. And that is very useful in a summer day. It's also a cold pulses we call it. Next one is, here is the wheat. You are eating daily chapati at your home. That's wheat flour. That gets from wheat. Next one, this is a fruit of papaya. What is this? This is again a non-vegetarian product. Is a eggs. Last one is a, there is coriander leaves. Make it right mark. Are you completed that box, children? Okay. Next one, some of food grains that you grown in the food item available in your locality. Try to observe each and every food items. Means while your mother, father are bringing some vegetables or fruits by market, just to try to tell the names. Which fruit, which vegetable is this? You have to identify which fruit is that, which vegetables is that. Okay, try to identify the names of the different types of fruits and vegetables. Turn page number 29 and your next page. The outer circle consists of food we get. The inner circle, this is the outer circle. They are given here two circles. In that two circles, outer circle consists the inner circle consists the items used to prepare the food, and outer circle is the food we eat. What inner circle consists? Food item. Prepare to food, and outer circle consists a food we eat. So you have to match that by using pencil. Try to do this. See here, first one is a rice. We are making rice by using rice. Next one, this is a idli. By using rice you are making idlis in your home. Yes, try to match this one and this again, rice. Next one, children, here is a ragi. What we are making by using ragi? This is the here ragi mudda, we call that. Okay, you know it. If you don't know, you try to ask to your parents. They will tell you what is the ragi mudda and all. Okay, try to match this to the here. Next one, here is a bajra. Bajra mixes here, roti is here. You have to match it again here. Next one is wheat by here chapati. Next here parotha is here. You have to match with here also again. And here is a milk product is a butter. They are given here a butter is the milk product. Name the dishes prepared in your house on the days of festival. Which festival seasons means Dasara, Diwali, Holi. There are the different festivals. Ganesh Chaturthi, Nag Panchami. All these are the festival. You know it very well. So on that days in your home, your mother makes different types of dish. Which are they? What dishes she makes? Is anyone? Yes, she makes a puran poli. Next one, some laddu, jalebi, whatever the sweet dish it may be. Some kheer, paisam, different types of. Your mother makes some sweet dishes. So which are they? Try to tell the names and write the names of some sweet dishes. Okay. Next one on page number 30. Turn the next page, page number 30. Look at the picture given below. Put square. You have to put this type of mark. Okay. For what food? Put square mark for the food. Could be eaten raw. This is, you have to match it. Eaten raw food. Okay. And here, make it the circle for which food? Cooked food. Cooked food. Okay children, you have to make this square box for raw food and make it circle mark for the cooked food. Now tell me which one is the raw and which one is cooked food. Try to do that. First one is a cucumber. Yes, cucumber we can eat as a raw food. Make it square box. Make it square box to that cucumber. Next one is radish here. Radish also we can eat as a raw food. So make it again here square box. Make it radish to a square box. Next one, here is a banana. Yes, banana also we can eat a raw food. Again here make a square box. 1, 2, 3. All these are the raw food. All fruits we can eat as a raw. Okay now, we can't cook any fruit. Are you eating grapes, apple, mango, pineapple, papaya? Any fruit, you are eating only raw. You can't cook that food. Next one, cucumber, radish, and banana. All these are the raw food. Next one, rice. Yes, rice is a cooked food. Make it circle to that rice. Your mother makes a rice by adding some water and salt. Then it will we get a rice. And idli dosa, we have to make it cooked. Next one is brinjal. Brinjal we can't eat a raw. You are making vegetables. Brinjal. Next one, fish. Fish is also a cooked food. We can't eat as a raw. Okay. So make these three to circle mark. This mark. First two, three you have to make here square boxes. Next three you have to make here a circle boxes. And next one, corn. We have to cook that corn also. Corn is also a not a raw food. It's a cooked food. You have to cook the corn. Next one is a mango. Mango is also raw food. I have told already that all the fruits we can eat as a raw, all fruit. Next one is apple here. Apple also make it square box to that. Are you done, children? Okay, turn page number 31 of your book. Put right mark for your favorite dish. Tell why this dish is your favorite. This is your personal activity. This is your personal work. You have to identify which one is your favorite dish. I will tell some names. First one is jalebi, second one is laddu, dosa and bread. You have to know, which is your favorite dish. You have to make on that dish with a right mark. And why that is your favorite dish? Tell the some reasons of that. Because it's a sweet dish. I like jalebi and laddu. These are the sweet dishes. So next one is dosa. We can eat as for breakfast. And bread, some children like say fermented food, so they can eat a bread also and dosas also. Some children like sweet dishes. You have to write your reasons, and so please make it right mark for which one is your favorite dish. Okay, you have to write mark with pencil which one is your favorite dish: jalebi, laddu, dosa or bread. Okay, are you done? Okay, next question. Put right mark for your favorite fruit and again tell why do you like that fruit. Now this happens for only dish, sweet dish or the dish you can eat. Next one is question is a fruits. It's about a fruit. Which fruit do you like more? And you have to tell why do you like that fruit. This one is banana, first one, grapes, mango and pomegranate. Why do you like any one fruit? These four fruits. In that four fruit, you have to tell why do you like banana, why do you like grapes, why do you like pomegranate and mango. You have to write the names. That test are sour, test are sweet. Grapes are sour to test. Banana are some sweet and sour. Mangoes are sweet, I think mostly. Then pomegranate improves our blood quantity. So you have to eat a pomegranates also. So make it here right mark with your favorite choice. You have to do here a right mark which is your favorite fruit. Next question is put right mark for the vegetable you like. Tell why do you like it. Again the next question is about our vegetables. Which vegetable? First one is brinjal, carrot, lady's finger and tomato. Here carrot and tomato, these are the raw food. We can eat as in raw. Next one brinjal and lady's finger, these are the cooked food. So you have to which vegetable do you like. You have to make it right mark by using pencil and tell some reasons. Why do you like carrot? Why do you like brinjal, lady's finger and tomato? Okay. Are you done? Are you done, children, with the pencil right mark? Okay. Now turn page number 32. Color the picture given below. They are given here papaya and pumpkin. One is fruit. Which fruit is this? This is a papaya. Second one is a pumpkin. Color these fruits in your home. Okay, this is your homework, children. All that whatever I am telling to make it right marks by using pencils, you have to do it in your home only. Make the colors of these fruits. First one is papaya. Second one is pumpkin. Next fruit is they are given on next page, page number 33. They are given here grapes and lady's finger. Color these two fruits and vegetables also at your home. This is your homework. Next one, here some short poem. Name the different dishes prepared in your house. Ask elder at the home and know the ingredient things used to prepare them. Identify the food grains your teacher shows. Teacher should rice, dal, groundnut, etc. Now you have to get some information from your mother. If your mother makes laddu, what she uses to make that? No. Yes, she used some pulses. Next one, it requires butter. Okay. Next one, sugar, some milk. In that way, try to know that informations. Next, here is one small poem is here on page number 34. Children's veggies, 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 types and types of veggies. Like a finger is lady's finger. Like a stick is a drumstick. You know fingers, lady finger is how? It's like a lady's finger. Drumstick, drumstick is a long stick. By using your it's a musical instrument, drum. You are making the sounds of by using that stick. So it's called a like a stick. It's a drumstick. Like a snake, it's a snake ground. You know, snake ground is also vegetable. Testing bitter is bitter ground. Are you eating bitter ground? If no, you have to eat a bitter ground also. It's also helpful to our body. Bitter taste is also helpful to us. Types and types of veggies. Tomatoes make you chicks to red. Tomato makes your chicks to red. Carrots make your jump ahead. Carrots make your jump ahead. Green make you very strong. Peas make you sing along. Veggies, veggies, veggies. Types and types of veggies. So in that way we have finished our fourth lesson, delicious food. Try to identify these vegetables, fruits, non-vegetarian some items in your home. In our next class we will start with the new lesson, do we eat food. Okay. Bye children.